My legs are fried, burnt down to the ground. Toast.
A few moments later.
Take a deep breath in for yourself. Exhale for each other. Turn to somebody, give them a hug. Love on someone. Love yourself.
This is all like post audition based.
Okay, come on, post audition. Shine on them. Let them
Shine on them.
Yeah, let's go.
I said I am here. Congratulations, man.
You're making
I
me
know.
You're making me shy.
I'm gonna teach everybody. You're included, okay? No one is excluded. Let me say.
Yes!
How you feeling? Sensational.
Let's go!
Work that thing. Those that can't do it. That's what
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To go to the other side. Count of 8. That's going to be staccato, hitting every corner. Then we're going to do a full rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's going to be fast. Okay? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Circle, circle, circle. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, don't be shy, guys. Males especially. Even in the dojo tour, the guys are the ones doing the hips. Okay, so y'all gotta be ready for anything like that. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna play the music and let's do it. Whoop, 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 The more you practice going low on this, the more stamina you're gonna have in the future. So go all the way up, drop all the way down, push it forward, squeeze those abs. Yes. 6, 7, hey! 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hey! Hey! 9, 5, 6, 7, hey! Hey! 9, when you need to take it slow, you gotta go slow. Yeah! Yeah! Hey! 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 Yeah!
It was a leg workout, ab workout, arm workout, light workout. All the workouts. Spiritually, mentally, emotionally.
I'm getting the face workout because I'm gonna get Michio's face down by the end of this.
Oh yeah, no, you just.
Oh my God.
I'll get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna go home and be like.
Let's go, Jason. What's up, Taj? How you doing today?
Good. I love the workout today.
Oh yeah?
The hip workout. Pretty intense.
I bet.
Time for dancehall. Gotta go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Are you able to hear me? Is this on? Microphone check 1, 2. Yo, it's been a minute. What's good, y'all?
It's fucked up.
Hot minute. We
They
back.
gave me a mic.
I heard y'all was going crazy just now. So, luckily for y'all, today's a smooth day. Today is a smooth day. Today we're learning smooth moves. You know, there's all the energy stuff that we always do. You know, and then there's the gunman stuff. I'm still gonna bring in a girl, but the time I was, something happened. We had to switch class. But today we're gonna be working on the smoother style of dancehall. Mass, smooth, sexy, you know what I mean, feeling yourself kind of thing. Yeah, you know. How's everybody feeling? Everybody good? Thumbs up if you're feeling good? Yeah. We good? Anyone new? Like, is there anyone that new that joined the group? Any new people put your hands up? Hey, come on, y'all. Shout out to the new folks. Welcome to the squad. Let's go. I only have a couple rules in here for the new folks. It ain't that much. Rule number 1, let's have fun. Number 1 rule is have fun. Rule number 2, always, you know. Rule number 2, we use a lot of energy. So when I say ladies, all the ladies gotta go. And when I say fellas, all my fellas gotta go. Easy rules, fun rules. We always keep it fun in here, funky. Other than that, welcome to Dancehall, where we learn and have a good time. Yeah. So, all right, today we're just gonna warm up real quick. I'm gonna do smooth songs because we're gonna get into smooth shit. Yeah. So, let's get smooth. You know what I mean, my boy? Come on, let's do this. Let's go. Let's dim the lights. Let's go. Let's do it. Are we ready? Welcome to Dancehall R&B. All right. How's everybody feeling? Everybody feeling good? We're gonna learn havoc. Havoc is by True in Jamaica called caution, team caution. And the move look like this. It's smooth, but it's also new school. So you know already when we do new school, it's like a whole 8 count. Still also new school, yep, whole 8 count. So havoc looks like this. And you repeat it. Yeah? So let's break this one down, yeah? So, our legs is gonna go left, right. Easy. I was smooth as hell, yeah? She was like, ooh. Left, right, yeah? It's gonna lead you. Your hand, you're gonna throw away. I ain't worried about you. Yeah, I ain't worried about you. Arm, this shit. Okay, let's get this shit together, yeah? 1, 2, yeah? Then the foot is gonna go left, right, left. Notice I go down. Yes. Make sure you come down. You shouldn't be up here. You should be the same level as me. Yes. Copy my motion so we could do the ocean. Yeah. So all we're doing is 1, 2, left, right, left. This is where sexy happened. This is where. I cannot. That's where sexy happens, yeah? It's like taking a deep breath. So you're gonna go, 1, ha, ha, yeah? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, ba-da-da. Ooh, ooh, and 1, 2, ba-da-da. Ooh, ooh.
Watch it. You got to get it,
Here we go.